Welcome to People's RX, Austin's wellness headquarters, where taking control and maintaining your health is easier and more accessible than ever. People's recently launched its Beyond the Baseline wellness program, featuring a quick 2-minute in-person body scan and recommendations from People's wellness specialists. The process begins with a 2-minute non-invasive InBody composition test to measure key health pillars such as hydration levels, cardiovascular health, hormone health, digestion, and more. After completing your InBody composition analysis, a People's Wellness Specialist will thoroughly review your results with you. Following this, you'll be guided on a personalized tour where the specialist will offer customized recommendations, including supplement suggestions and health testing kits to practical lifestyle adjustments. You will be equipped with the tools and insights needed to take the next step on your wellness journey. For a deeper insight into your health, People's offers optional non-invasive Babson blood test panels. These tests can identify nutrient deficiencies, including vitamin B and D levels, along with many other health indicators. The Beyond the Baseline program at People's simplifies your path to better health by providing the essential resources you need to enhance your overall wellness and achieve lasting positive change. So visit People's RX today and start your journey to optimal health.